WeCP lets you assess an Angular developer on their hands-on expertise with Angular. Let's see how it works. After you send the Angular assessment to candidates open the assessment on their browser. On the left side of your window, you can see you are given a problem statement where you have to create an Angular application with multiple components. Application should display employee and customer data and implement the routing between these two components. Let's go over the task. In the employee component, you have to create an employee model class with the following members: employee ID, employee name, and employee salary. And you have to create an array of employee objects and display them in a table format. In the customer component, you have to create a customer model class with the following members: customer ID, customer name, product, and quantity. And you have to create an array of customer objects and display them in a table format. And at last, we have to implement a routing between these two components. In order to complete this assessment, you have to complete the following files. You can find these files on the right side of a window in the source folder. In the source folder, we can find incomplete code stub for app routing module TS, customer component, HTML, customer component TS, employee component HTML, and employee component TS. We have to complete these code stub to complete the assessment. First, we will implement app routing module TS. Now we will implement customer component HTML. Next, we will implement customer component TS. Next, we will implement the employee component. First, we will implement employee component.html. And finally, we will implement employee component TS. Now we have implemented all the required files for this project. Let's run our code. Our server has started. Let's open our application. Here you can see we got the employee page as well as the customer page. In the employee page, we are getting the array that we created in the employee model class in table format. In the customer page, we are also getting the array that we created in the customer model class in table format. And the most important part of this project, routing between these two components, which is working fine. Let's test and submit our code against the provided test cases. You can see our code is passing all the provided test cases. Hence, we have finished our Angular assignment.